Repair!
Oh,
We got some cement bags. What are we doing to them?
Oh, that was nice. Use a saw to cut it off.
Okay.
Nice. Oh, and this nice.
That's kind of cool. Yeah, you can roll little tapey things, but why?
I don't know why, but I just want to make it.
That's cool. You can heat up the screw and then it won't break the wood. Neat. Okay.
Okay, what is this for?
A thimble on the end of a soldering thing. Nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
To make some perfect holes.
That seems like a waste of resources, but okay. You can also use like a long, what do you call it, screwdriver?
Yeah.
And pour it down the screwdriver.
Yeah, true. So it's just to get a shape.
Wow, that was a fast little transition there. It kind of gave me a heart attack.
A lot of things happen is fast here.
Yeah.
And
Okay, so we're cutting through this plastic pipe. Cutty cut. Engagement ring. Maybe, I don't know.
You're thinking they upset about engaging rings.
Wire management is what it's all about. Tube management.
So yeah.
Instead of getting your fingers dirty, you can use a paper. That's pretty good.
Yeah,
I guess so.
looks practical, right?
Okay, so we got a wire. We're using the wire in a soldering tool.
For what?
For hard to reach.
But it's very poor soldering, honestly.
Wow. Okay, this comes from the professional solderer himself,
Exactly.
Archie.
Yeah. It could be better.
Okay, we're bending this. We're bending that.
We're bending everything. I mean, it's...
Give your brush a haircut to get in between the crevices. All right.
And it worked.
I feel like you could probably do it with a normal brush too, but let's not talk about that.
Yeah. Let's keep it as.
Cut your blades.
To make a saw. Perfect.
Kind of cool. All right. So what are we doing here? Strong connection. It's like
I didn't get it.
it's like when you meet someone, you just have a strong connection.
That's kind of nice.
That's kind of nice. I like it. Hard to reach.
Warm it up.
Okay.
Use a glue gun stick.
I've seen this. This does not work.
Yeah, we tried this, and it's kind of work. I mean, generally it's unpractical. If you need to unscrew some not very tighted screws, it could work, but not more than that. I mean, generally it doesn't work.
You wouldn't normally use it as a craftsman or anything.
Yeah, but you know.
Give it a try yourself. Let us know. Did it work?
Exactly.
Okay. Okay. We got a little stock in here, so that basically stops it from making any marks. That's smart. Okay.
So
Chopstick.
And then this will be
Fan.
mixer.
Mixer. Nice. That's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Or it could be a fan in the summer.
No, I think it doesn't work.
No?
So, yeah, but as a mixer, nice. And kind of you can throw these.
Okay. Looks kind of cool.
I love it.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a crutcher. I love it.
Okay, we got some holes in the wall.
Holes in the wall to make.
Use the same piece of tape for the same measurements.
Yeah, exactly.
Who would have thunk it?
You know,
That's smart. You wouldn't actually think about it normally. I think like most people wouldn't. So, good job, guys. We're heating up this plastic with the heat gun.
Okay, to seal it well.
Yeah.
And nice. That works. We tested it. Nice.
Yeah. So we're taking the flint off of the lighter.
Yeah.
And we're gonna use it to sharpen knives. Yeah.
That could works. That good works.
Yeah. Pretty cool. Fill in this hole. Fill in that hole.
Okay.
Okay. I feel like there are other tools we could use for that, but okay, that's fine.
You know, you always can use another tools for some thing.
True.
I guess they gonna show us some
alternatives.
Alternatives, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Yep. So you're making yourself dirty. What are we gonna do to prevent that?
Make a cover for your Dremel.
Okay.
Okay.
That's cool. I think a lot of Dremels come with covers as well.
No, actually.
No?
No, they don't have it. And Dremel as well.
I have one.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe I bought some
Head of the
cheapest
game.
one. I never saw some copper. Right, this isn't copper.
This is gonna be a wire stripper.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So
Okay.
satisfying.
Sounds, yeah, nice.
Show me the whole thing. Go back.
If you need to hammer
Randomly
six nails.
nails. That's a little weird, but all right.
Okay. That was nice. Yeah, sure.
Yep. So you're making yourself dirty. What are we gonna do to prevent that?
Make a cover for your Dremel.
Okay.
Okay.
That's cool. I think a lot of Dremels come with covers as well.
No, actually.
No?
No, they don't have it. And Dremel as well.
I have one.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe I bought some
Head of the
cheapest
game.
one. I never saw some copper. Right, this isn't copper.
This is gonna be a wire stripper.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So
Okay.
satisfying.
Sounds, yeah, nice.
Show me the whole thing. Go back.
If you need to hammer
Randomly
six nails.
nails. That's a little weird, but all right.
Okay. That was nice, actually.
Yep.
Okay, what is this for?
Okay. Intrigued.
Intrigue, yeah. To lift it up, your.
Pop.
Oh, here we are. Nice.
Nice jack. Cool.
Nice jack, yeah. And easy made jack.
So what are we doing to this brush? We're making it a dangerous brush. Don't use it on your hair. Or
paint.
to paint.
Okay. So.
Okay, layers of knives.
Mm-hmm.
Scary. All right.
True. But what the.
This is like the most painful back scratcher ever.
Get me.
Ah! Great. You'll never have to worry about itchy back again.
Yeah.
Because you just won't have one anymore.
It's how you need to solve the problem.
Yep. Okay, we got these screws and another screw. What are we doing with the screws? Into a wall.
What?
Knock the wood in there. That's pretty good. That's actually
That's
pretty
smart.
nice. Yeah.
Wow. Okay. To put the.
Ooh, they're using a Japanese tea thing for their hot gallium.
What? It's a gallium?
I think so.
I missed that.
Wood glue.
Mm-hmm. To
All right.
screw it. Okay.
It's all right. Not bad.
It's alright.
I mean, it just
Yeah.
seems like you would do that normally. Yeah. Okay. We're fixing two pieces of wood together.
Yeah, and
Strong! You had two pieces of wood, and you now have one piece of wood.
strong.
Strong wood. Sandpaper, alright.
Oh.
Now it's a sanding tool.
Nice.
Boom, 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 boom. Very nice. See, that's a better one than
That's
the
a
one
better
before.
one, yeah. Definitely. So, you measure
Halfway.
it.
Chicka. Sorry, that was my saw noise. That's my drill noise.
Okay. Okay.
Yep.
Nice sound effects.
Thank you. I made them myself.
So for the cutter, do you have a noise?
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, that's true. That works.
But not with everything.
Yeah, it can be like a little uneven, right, when you break. Okay. Confused so far?
Yeah. Oh.
Nice.
Oh.
That's pretty handy.
We need to test
We
it.
should actually really test that, yes.
Yeah. Whoa.
Whoa, be careful with your hands. They had their hand like fully out. That is not safe.
I mean, they show the problem just to breaking the. Okay.
They should use a fake hand.
Yeah.
Okay, so now when you break something, it's okay because it's covered in plastic. And the glass
That
is
could work.
stronger. Okay, nice little connection there, I guess.
Huh?
Fill in your holes.
For what?
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Okay.
They have another piece of wood in
Yeah.
another part just to.
That's
But
nice.
you can easily. I guess so.
Good way to make a connection.
Mm-hmm.
Split.
Yep. That's possible, yeah. Make an angle. Make a perfect angle. Okay, that was quite perfect.
All right. Okay, what are we doing here? Zip ties. So zip ties are perfect for making those difficult to make connections.
Just to tie to your spring and so on.
This is cool. It's a nice little handy tool so you don't drop your brush in the paint.
But that could work. But that brush had a holder.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so anyway.
It was a...
You failed successfully.
Yeah. I think they did it specially, you know, for such a comments as we did. Like, oh, what?
Okay, so we got this. Nice, that's cool. Drop in your little screws. Oh no, this screw isn't big enough. I couldn't foresee that before I did that.
Then I will use the key.
Oh no, I can't get in my apartment.
Why you need it?
We're twisting this. All right.
Okay.
Handy. Without.
Yeah.
So we can cut open a nice pen and use that for two tiny drills.
Yeah.
Nice.
That could work. We tested.
Give us more.
More reactions.
Boom.